Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mathematic Girl Swati 3226. So as you can see here, the topic is integers. So let's understand how do we add the integers and how do we subtract the integers. I know it sounds very simple, but yes, the students get confused. So I thought of making the basics of additions and subtraction in case of integers. Okay. So before starting with the addition and subtraction, let's just understand what are integers. That all the numbers that you can see on the number line, okay, including because we can't write down all the numbers, I'm just denoting it with the dotted sign. So it's like -5, all the negative numbers. Then I'm just writing few negative numbers: -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. These are all negative numbers. We also denote the negative number with capital Z. Okay. Now let's understand about how do we add and how do we subtract in integers. So the very first rule that I want to make you understand is that whenever we have same sign, okay, whenever we have same sign, what is the meaning of here same sign? Same sign meaning if we have plus and plus, then the operation that you have to use is plus only. If we have minus and minus, again they are same sign, of course you have to do the operation, like you have to use the operation is addition only. Okay. Now when we have a different sign, okay, when we have a different sign, what is the meaning of different sign? Of course the opposite sign. That means if I have plus and minus, the operation that I'm going to use is minus. When I have minus and plus, again they are different sign, then the operation that I have to use is again minus. So just remember one thing, that whenever we have same sign, then we have to do plus, and whenever we have different sign, then we have to do minus. That's it. Okay. Now few more things are very important here, so let's understand those things with the help of an example. So the very first question is, I'm just taking 2 plus 3. I know this is very simple because before 2 it's of course plus sign only. Remember that when we have do not, like when we don't have any sign, it means plus only. So here there is no sign, that means it is plus 2. Plus 2 plus 3, the answer is of course 5. But let's understand this with the rule. Plus 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 plus, the operation is plus, and we got the answer 5. Okay, now let's do another question, and the question is -3 minus 10. Now, how to solve this? So as you can see here, the sign is minus and the sign is minus. Are they same sign? Yes, they are same sign. And when we have the same sign, we have to do plus, right? So what is the meaning of plus here? That you just simply have to add the numbers. So 3 plus 10 is 13. Now there is one extra concept that you should be understanding here, which is how to decide the sign in our final answer, right? So that we decide by just looking at both the numbers. You just have to see which is a bigger number. So you have to choose 3 and 10, like you have to check 3 and 10. Of course we have 3 and 10 as the two numbers. Now you have to choose which one is a bigger number. Which one is a bigger number? Of course 10 is a bigger number. Now you have to check what is the sign before the bigger number. So in the question, the sign before the bigger number is minus. So therefore in the final answer, the sign is going to be minus. That's it. Okay. Now let's take few more examples. So if I have a question like this, -5 plus 10. Now you can see the signs are opposites, or I can say different. When we have a different sign, we have to do minus. So simply do 10 minus 5. Okay, so what is 10 minus 5? It's 5. Now how to decide the sign? As you know, the rule is same for all the questions. Which is a bigger number? 10 is a bigger number. What is the sign before the bigger number? Plus. So the answer will have plus. Normally we don't write down plus because it is automatically understood that it is plus 5 only. So this is the answer. Let's take one more example. So where we have -20 and then plus 5. Again, here you can see that the signs are opposite, minus and plus, right? So, or different. So, when we have different sign, minus, so of course 20 minus 5 is 15. Just do the calculation part first and then decide the sign. What is the sign? Here you can see 20 and 5, which is a bigger number? Minus, 20 is the bigger number. What is the sign before the bigger number? Minus. So, therefore, the answer is minus 15. That's it. Now, I just want to do one question quickly. So, for example, suppose I have minus 100 plus 100. As you can see, the signs are opposite, right? So, that means we have to do minus. So, what is 100 minus 100? 0. Remember here, whenever you get the answer 0, you don't have to write down any sign. You don't even have to check the question that which number is bigger, what is the sign, because in this case, like 0 has no sign. 0 is a neutral number. Here you can see. So, a neutral number, it is neither positive nor negative. So, 0 is just 0. All right. I hope you have understood this. I'm gonna make a second part on this video as well. So do let me know whether you want the second part of this video or not, where I'll be just taking a lot of questions, some complicated as well, and also I'll be making you understand how to do integers or how to solve integers in multiplication. Just to understand whether you know this or not, I'm giving you a question and you have to let me know the answer in the comment box. So what is the answer of minus 2 into minus 5? Remember, it is not the addition or subtraction, it is a multiplication now. Let me know the answer in the comment box of this one, and also let me know whether you want me to make a detailed video on the multiplication of integers or not. So please let me know the answer of this, and see you soon with the next video. Thank you so much for your support. Keep loving and keep supporting me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any other video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.